Hello, Neon Finnick here with a video saying, for one, thanks for helping the channel hit to 300 subs. You guys are awesome. And for two, this video is to help out people with NVIDIA graphics cards who want to play games or stream movies on their TV, but have the issue where the video does not fit the full amount of the display. It's a super simple fix for NVIDIA. You just go over to the NVIDIA control panel and wait for that to start up. Then you want to go to the um, sorry, it's been a while since I've done this, so bear with me. Oh yeah, adjust desktop size and position, and then you want to go to size and enable desktop resizing. You want to hit apply, and then you want to click resize. And then you'll notice that you can resize the display. And with this, you should be able to resize it to actually fit your TV's display properly. For me, mine has a monitor. I have a monitor, so I don't really need to do it. But when you set that custom size on the resizing, you want to apply the resizing change, and then you want to go over here and you want to set to no scaling. So that way when you launch games and stuff, also you want to enable the override scaling mode set by games and programs. Your screen will flash black and then it'll be perfectly fine. You want to set that for when you launch games or stuff on your big TV, that it doesn't do weird stretching because it's not detecting the change that you had made. Super simple video. I hope it helps you guys out. And again, thank you all for the 300 subs.